Rest in peace to my 10mm. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Supra harness bar. So as you guys can see, we did the AA Concepts front lip, which is actually a Keys Motorsports front lip. They don't make it anymore. I love this lip because it has more of a sleeker design. It goes with the front end a little bit better. So any other lip that's about $1,000 would cost me a lot of money. If I cracked that lip, I'd be really annoyed. We also have the Vossen HF5 wheels with the stock red calipers. These are 19s, 9.5 in the front, 10.5 in the rear. Ditto NT05s in the rear. These are 305, 35, 19. You guys saw the last video. We actually have the Brom Alpha X Series racing seats in the car. These seats are awesome. They give a really nice red pop to the car. And then we have the beautiful Street Hunter wing. My car is a hot mess, as you guys can see. Carbon fiber, which is pretty pricey, pretty expensive wing. And then we have my logo on there as well. And then we have the AWE exhaust as well, which you guys have probably seen that video. And we also have the East Coast Supra M-style mirrors. So to go along with the look of the car, I wanted to get a harness bar because the seat belts need to attach to a harness bar. Right now I have them rigged to the stock bar that's in the car. The stock harness bar is not really a harness bar, it's just there for placement. So we're gonna actually replace it with a Cusco harness bar, which actually came in 2 days. Shout out to Vivid Racing for supplying the harness bar for the Supra. It was about $211. Usually it's about $250. So again, shout out to Vivid Racing for the Cusco harness bar. Alrighty, so as you guys can see here, big shout out to Brom once again for the t-shirt. We have the stock harness bar being utilized. Pretty easy to take out. So all you gotta do, honestly, is just take out this piece back here. So we're gonna pull the front seat down a little bit. The Cusco harness bar here. That actually goes kind of well with the car. I think it actually flows much better rather than having this bar here. Yeah, let's start tweaking on these clips out and install this. You take a flathead, and you want to pry this little plastic piece out from there, and it pretty much just slides out. After you take that piece out, you have to take this little section off right here. Not this whole part right here, just this section right here. This pops out, and then the last piece you want to get out is obviously this piece right here. Three clips. The last one over there, you want to pull on an angle towards the front of the car so you don't rip it, which is probably the angle one right here. It took me about 5 minutes to do that side. This side should be about the same. There are 2 bolts. There's one right there, as you guys can see. And then there's one in there, if you guys can see that one. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, right in the corner right there. Boop. So we have this side out. Really easy to take out. Not difficult. I left these in just because I don't want to have to, you know, it's going to be a hassle to try to take them off the seatbelt. Pretty simple, guys. Up. I had a 10mm socket in there, and I tried to match it up to the bolt that was in there, and unfortunately it fell, and now it's inside of the plastics over here. So the bolt fell all the way into here. I'm on the inside. Rest in peace to my 10mm. God damn it. One thing about those bolts on the inside that hold this down is that they were pretty loose. I barely had to put any effort to loosen them up. And that's stock, mind you, I never took this out. So I guess this was meant to be taken out. Pretty simple. All right, there it is. That one top bolt is the one that's going to be taken out. So the bolt that we're gonna be using to get those 2 bolts out is a 3/8 socket. Good to go. It's fire. This bolt towards the front of the car, that's the one that's gonna go in those 2 that we just removed. And this thing is pretty sturdy though. I ain't even going front. This looks fire. With the whole car, and I mean, I'm not even done yet, but come on. All right, guys, so unfortunately, my camera died. Oh, I got bad boogers in my nose. Yo, shout out to Brom, yo. This hat is so fire. Like, I like hats that have a square front because it makes my head look like a little bit, like, looks my face looks slimmer. I know you guys don't care. But anyway, shout out to Brom for this hat. This hat is fire. The t-shirt they got me also, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this shirt right here, quality is A1. gonna take some photos with that t-shirt and the hat. Maybe tomorrow, honestly. The harness bar is in, as you guys can see right here, and it looks fire. The whole car itself, yo, this looks fire. Like, fire. I don't know how I feel about the whole red and blue theme, but for some reason, it's just flowing so well with the seats and everything. It just looks fire. Fire. I'm super excited about this. This is probably gonna be the last mod for the year. Not sure what else I'm gonna do. I think the season's pretty much over. Oof, you see the seats though? Come on now. Come on now. Look at that. You can't tell me that doesn't look good though. Come on guys. Like, what? Ooh. Ooh. That's a thumbnail right there. That's a thumbnail. Nah, but it looks super good. Like this. Let me just close the trunk real quick. Unfortunately, I'm recording on my phone. Sorry for the lack of quality. It's pretty dark out right now, so. Woof. Fire. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for the video. Our Cusco Harness Bar is in. Let me know what kind of mods you think I should do with the car. I want to bag the car next, but we're going into the winter time and it's pretty cold out. I'm not really sure if I want to bag it. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you guys have any questions on the harness bar, any questions on the seats, any question on coating for the seats, let me know. Or if you have any suggestions, drop the comment below. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, guys. Peace.